Thank you for joining me for Read Aloud with Nature. Let's go listen to a story by my favorite tree. Hey second graders, welcome to another fun Friday Read Aloud. I promised you that today we would be reading aloud with nature. So here we are, this is my front yard. This is a beautiful tree out here in my front yard, so I thought I'd come sit outside and read you a story. I did put on my rain jacket though. It was raining pretty hard earlier today, and so this way if it starts raining I can keep myself nice and dry. So the story that I'm reading you today is called Try a Little Kindness, and the author is Henry Cole. A smile to greet the morning, a hug to greet each day, a thank you and a yes please are things that you should say. Our animal friends will show you exactly how it's done. Make it a daily habit. Kindness can be fun. Wake up with a smile. Be the last in line. Invite someone over to play with you. Share your toy. You'll feel so special inside. Try some kindness every day, a smile, a joke, or something else. Come on, don't you want to play? Tell someone they are special. Be a great ally. Write a poem for someone. Praise someone's work. Hold the door for a friend. Give someone your seat. Pick up the trash. Visit someone who is lonely. I know you think we did it, but our job is not quite done. We need to keep on going. Being kind is so much fun. Help someone without being asked. Read to your friends. Write thank you notes. Do something unexpected. Take a selfie with friends. When evening has come and it's time to go to bed, you brush your teeth and wash your feet and make sure your fish is fed. Think of new good deeds to do and some nice things to say, then you'll know why kindness counts and look forward to each day. The end. There was a lot of great ways to show kindness that was mentioned in this story. What are some other ways that you can think of on how to show kindness? One thing that I think is a way to show kindness is by doing something special for someone else. Maybe making them something, or cooking them something, or baking them something, or bringing them a gift. And I also think it's important to show kindness to our earth and to nature. And I like the suggestion in here about picking up trash, because that's a really good way to show kindness to our planet and to our outdoors. Thank you second graders for joining me today for our Read Aloud time with nature. Make sure you check back next week. We'll have a Read Aloud with